Today, we're going to build the 327T droid using 7 LEGO pieces. These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs. I've been wanting to build the 327T droid ever since I was watching the Clone Wars cartoon on Disney+. I was kind of catching up on all my Star Wars stuff, and I did the mouse droid tutorial, and that actually did pretty well. So now I'm going to start building the 327T droid from Star Wars. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with this T-bar piece. And here you've kind of got the top parts that come together, kind of make the T, and then you've got this part that comes out on the bottom. Well, on that part that goes out on the bottom, I'm going to grab this mechanical claw piece, and I'm just going to put that mechanical claw piece onto the bar like this. And so I've got the mechanical claw piece holding onto the T-bar. And then for those side bars that kind of make the T, I'm going to grab 2 of these Technic lift arms, these 1x2 Technic lift arms, and just put them on the side of the T-bar like this, both sides, and so they kind of go over and hide that mechanical claw piece that I've got in the center. And this is going to be the treads of our droid. And on top of this mechanical claw, we've got that bar sticking out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a 2x2 inverted radar dish and just stick that inverted radar dish on and go down through the bar like this, so it goes right into the bar, and you've got a little bit of that mechanical claw sticking out, the bar sticking out the top. Well, on that little piece sticking out, I'm going to grab a lightsaber hilt here, and I don't know why, but I played around with it a lot. I just liked it when you had these like the 4 little prong pieces on the lightsaber sticking into that bar piece. So just kind of stick that in there on the bar piece, and you see it's a nice, perfect fit. It's going to hold very nicely. And then all we have to do left is grab our binocular pieces for the head or the eyes of our droid. You've got that area for the stud to go into. You just put those binocular pieces onto the top of our lightsaber hilt. And here we've got a completed 327T droid from Star Wars. And my first reference to it was during the Clone Wars. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.